Hello guys, it's your boy Clutch Gamer here. We're going on to part 3 of I Expect You to Die 3, Cog in the Machine. This one is one of my all-time favorite levels, and you'll see why in a minute. So let's go. Number 3, we're loading. We're going 24%. Let's go, guys. So how have you been in the past maybe 5 hours since I uploaded?
Do you have your license handy?
License handy. Yeah, this is one of my all-time favorite missions, guys. Oh, gum. This was in Solo's mouth. No. So, did you guys remember in the first episode how I kept dropping stuff? Well, I guess that's how. Where are these? I don't know. International License to Drive. 1967. I'm sorry, guys. 67. Driver SHM21A28. Organ donor. Expires on birthday. Hello?
I have good news and bad news. The bad news is the truck from the mines has entered a dead zone for our tracking system on a bridge over the Bering Strait, leaving us blind. The agency tracking system developers have been sacked.
So
The good news is the crew back at HQ bought you a car.
They bought me a car?
Well, they built you a car. Well, it wasn't originally for you, but it is now. Take the car and find...
Thank you, boys. Thank you, agency, for the baby car, and I'm just gonna drive it.
The truck is just up ahead. Prism may not be driving.
Hold on a minute. Why do I have tunneling? I don't.
Truck, but she built it, so it won't be like anything you've ever seen. That kinesium can't arrive at her factory. Find and steal it
I can't steer
quietly.
it. I can't move
I'm in the van in front of you. Don't worry, I only crashed 3 vans when I was a field agent. So you focus on finding the kinesium on that truck.
Oh no. What is this? A key? A keyhole. You know what keys and keyholes means. Screws. I'm screwed, guys. Get it?
Some wires. I'll start drafting an apology letter to our autopilot engineers.
Hold on, I need to take this off. Get over here. What is this? Autopilot. Steering.
When you return the car,
seat.
we'll tell them you found it like
want
that.
to put the ejector seat. Mine is the engine, so throttle. There we are. Let's put the hat back on. Actually, let's put it down here. This car is not going any. This hat is not going anywhere. So.
Oh, well, you are either very strong or that steering wheel was not attached to it. We actually accounted for you shattering the windshield in the budget.
Oh, no. What am I supposed to do with this?
Now that you've completely bypassed the autopilot, you should have no trouble catching up to the truck.
Love the music.
This entire mission is compromised if they know we're here, so get inside that truck without being seen. I'll tap you into their communications.
Which is why the truck drives itself. That's odd.
What's odd, Dr. B?
Nothing, I think. Just a glitch in the system. Ensure the truck and the kinesium arrive at the factory safely.
Not easy.
Dr. B, I just heard something hit the truck.
More than likely debris. Don't worry. Not even the great Agent Phoenix could access that truck.
You just blew a fuse. I left the spares at home. Figures. That is one heavy door.
That's heavy.
You may need more than your
crap.
telekinesis for this
Ooh.
one.
Could this be it? Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
The electricity across the rear door dissipated a
I want to
little.
try something.
Those fuses must be part of the locking mechanism.
Ouch.
What happens after we kill Agent Phoenix, Dr. B?
After we kill their top agent, the agency will have no choice but to acknowledge your brilliance. and
They
mine.
wanna kill me? They wanna kill me! Help! Dang it, I suck at aiming. I suck! There we go.
Dr. P, I'm positive I'm hearing scraping sounds. Do we have rats?
If there are rats, don't let them near the kinesium. Telekinetic rats are the
I'm gonna
last
take
thing
one
we
of
need.
those.
Actually,
Nobody's on. Not even you guys. Ah, come on. This is way harder. Oh, yay. Security gate. I'm so good at doing this, you guys. Oh, shoot. Oh, no.
Fire is deadly when it's all over here.
My hot dog. Hold on, mister. I want to give you something. Sir? Come on, I want to give you this hot dog, sir. I
Are
don't
you
want to.
enjoying that, Frankfurter? Only you would get food somewhere on your way to a... You know I adore decent Alaska agent, but I need a little smokiness with my Frankfurters.
I gave him his favorite food. I guess. Alright, guys. I can't speed up to the truck. I'm not getting flamed for some reason. Let's just, Genimus!
Well, who needs to know who you're still in Kinesium anyway?
Oh my god.
Apparently not you.
No, my plans. The hot dog cup.
I miss my friends
cup.
in the mines. Admiral Butler.
each and every one of you is backed up in the factory. You'll see them again soon.
Oh, wow. I see something over there, guys. Let's get it.
Try not to go into that.
I got it.
Dear, move the kinesium to the back of the truck. I want it ready when you arrive at the factory.
You're running out of time, Agent. Get that kinesium.
Grapple, grapple. Here's some grapple. Oh, shoot. Where's my hat? I need to put it on for this occasion.
Hello, Phoenix. Figuring
So-
out my truck took you long enough. We've been working on upgrades from the moment you and your handler arrived.
My exterior is nearly impenetrable now. You won't crush me with a giant drill.
That's right. Every time you show up, my robots improve.
Oh,
So thanks for your cooperation.
I have a knife, though.
I'll take over driving. Go show Agent Phoenix what a real agent looks like. Ooh, I hope they have auto insurance.
And life insurance.
Shoot. What are those barrels doing there? Have you seen
Handle
them
that
this whole
robot.
time?
I'll go after Prism.
Wait, I have an idea.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ow, no!
Oh,
Oh,
hey.
hey! This is kind of comfy.
Oh no. Alright, oh, what is this? I got it.
Watch it. That's my favorite dial.
Yeah, you're dialed with it. So you're gonna die all over this dial. Ha ha ha, see what I did there? Man, I can't reach this code. Decoder me.
That switch blows up the earth. No, it. Can you imagine?
Dead. Blown up by overheated robot? Shoot, it's the first time I die. Let's replay mission, guys.
The truck
Everybody
is just
makes
up ahead.
mistakes, but look at this
Find
awesome
and quietly
speed run.
steal the kinesium on board.
Awesome speed run time.
Some wires. I'll start drafting an apology letter to our autopilot engineers. Oh, well, you are either very strong. When you return the car, we'll tell them you found it like that.
Awesome speed run time.
Now that you've completely bypassed the autopilot, you should have no trouble catching up to the truck. This entire mission is compromised if they know we're here, so get inside that truck without being seen. I'll tap you into their communications.
Which is why the
Easy
truck
peasy?
drives itself.
Lemon speed run
That's
quiz.
odd.
What's odd, Dr. P?
Nothing, I think.
Pull
A glitch
that
in the system.
lever. Move over
Ensure
here.
the
I'm
truck and
gonna
the
get
Kinesium
that.
arrive at the factory safely.
Caution heavy D door.
Dr. P, I just heard something hit the truck.
I
More
can't
than
rhyme.
likely debris. Don't worry. Not even the great Agent Phoenix
calling me
could
debris.
access that truck.
You just blew a fuse. And I left the spares at home. Figures.
Yes.
What happens after we kill Agent Phoenix, Dr. P?
After we
No, you're
kill
not
their
gonna
top
get me this
agent, the
time.
agency will have
Shoot,
no
I
choice
don't
but
want
to
that.
acknowledge your brilliance. And mine.
Dr. P, I'm positive I'm hearing scraping sounds. Do we have rats?
If there are rats, don't let them near the Kinesium. Telekinetic rats are the last thing we need. Actually,
Come on. Come on, quickly. This is supposed to be my speedrun time. Everybody loves speedruns. Security gate breached. I'm going up there because sorry, guys. Badu, move into the center of the truck. No! The hot dog!
I miss my friends in the mines.
It's finally
And the butler.
chili! I can give
each
it
and
to the
every
chili
one of you
dog
is backed
guy.
up in the factory. You'll see them again soon.
I forgot to give it to him. Yo, bud! Get over here. I want something. I want to give you something.
Is that the perfectly balanced colors, the fluffy bun, and even the hint of smoke? Why, it's the perfect Frankfurter. You really should focus on your mission with this. Oh, this is delicious.
You're welcome, bud.
Fire is deadly when it's all over you.
I'm getting burnt. I'm getting burnty. My cup! It's hot. Nobody likes hot Coke. Move out of my
The
way!
Kinesium to the back of the truck. I want it ready when you arrive at the factory.
You're running out of time, Agent. Get that
Got it! Speedrun accomplished, guys.
Hello, Phoenix. Figuring out my truck took you long enough. We've been working on
No, it
upgrades
didn't.
from the moment you and your handler arrived.
My exterior is nearly impenetrable now. You won't crush me with a giant drill.
That's right. Every
You
time
see
you
any
show
drills
up, my
here?
robots improve. So thanks for your cooperation. I'll take over driving. Go show Agent Phoenix what a real agent looks like. Ooh. I hope they have auto insurance.
And life insurance.
Why would I want life insurance? Buddy, now I know what to do, guys.
I'll go after Prism.
Yeah, go after Prism. I keep you bleeding for no reason.
Oh, hey! This is...
Hey, my boy.
Watch it! That's my favorite dial!
Yeah, you'll die.
Careful now! You cut all my wires, I'll shut down and my laser won't... Oh, that's why you're doing it. That switch blows up the Earth! Are you using Dr. P's notes I left in there? Aren't they great? Sometimes I look at them because they make me happy. Hey, that's the last wire for my power!
Well done.
Goodbye,
Unfortunately, I
goodbye,
couldn't keep up with Prism in the truck, but I bet that robot has her factory's location stored somewhere. We'll take it back to HQ to poke around a bit.
Let's go. Open truck without breaking. Give his handler his favorite food. I gave him
Prism
some
may have
food.
gotten away, but we have one of her robots. It has data stored in its, data storage places, so we're in luck. Dr. Prism truly believes she can create a better
Why are you
agent.
trying to kill me?
You'll either prove her wrong or prove her right. You're dead in that second scenario, in case that wasn't clear.
So, guys, that's it for this chapter or part. I know this was short, but there's 3 more, guys. There's 3 more, and it's going to be a good deed. First, let's see our little car thingy. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you I hope you see my next video, part 4, and I hope you watched my other videos. And I hope you really do. Ooh, what is this? Found it. Alright guys, well, see you next time, and I Expect You to Die 3, Cog in the Machine, part 4, You're gonna love it. If you're afraid of the sea, don't worry. I'll be here for any time you need it. I love you guys. See you next time.